In
Third,
today's
stop
tutorial,
being
I'll
afraid
show
of
you
failure.
exactly how to create this
Every
viral
mistake
Stickman
teaches a
animations
lesson.
completely
Successful
free,
people don't
even
quit.
if you've
They
never made an
learn,
animation
adjust,
before.
and keep.
Can you imagine 88 million views, 73 million views, and almost every other video is sitting comfortably at millions of views just simply by posting one style of Stickman animations? There are countless other creators on YouTube making thousands of dollars every single month by creating this exact same style of content. So if you've ever wanted to start a faceless YouTube channel, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Our first step is to head over to Google or Pinterest and search for Stickman animation figures. Browse through the results and download any Stickman character design that matches the style you want. Once you have your character ready, open your ChatGPT and paste this exact prompt. Feel free to add your own funny or quirky twist to this idea to make it even more unique. Now, hit enter and within seconds, ChatGPT will generate 20 engaging video ideas for you to choose from. Pick the one you like best. Next, for this second prompt, copy the entire prompt, okay, and paste it into your ChatGPT. Just pause the video and go through the prompts, then you copy it and post it into your ChatGPT. You enter your preferred video duration that is there. Then you paste that chosen topic that you selected from those 20 topics. You paste it into this topic section. You see where the wrote topic, you paste the topic there. Then you hit that arrow to generate the. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate a complete video package that is tailored to that chosen duration that you choose, okay? This will include the full voiceover script, plus detailed image prompt and animation prompt for every single scene. Now you're going to copy the image prompt for scene 1. You're going to head over to your browser, then you type Google Flow, okay? It's going to open into this interface for you, then you click on that Google Flow. Once you click it, the next thing you're going to do is to sign into your email. Once you are signing, it will open into this interface. Then you click on new project. It will open into this second interface for you, okay? Then you tap on this plus sign to upload the Stickman character we downloaded earlier from Google or Pinterest. Then you see this arrow that is facing that, you tap on it, you see photo library, take photo or choose file. You tap on photo library, then you select the Stickman character that we downloaded. It's going to show here. Once it loads, you're going to see the picture, then you tap on the image, okay? Once you tap on it, it's going to load again into this interface, as you can see. Once it's loaded, the next thing you are going to do is to tap on that nano banana icon. You'll see image and you'll see video. We're going to click on image because we're going to be creating the image first. Then select your aspect ratio and 1x. We are going to long press on this character image. You'll see some options there, okay? You select animate. Once you select animate, you're going to paste in the scene 1 prompt that we copied from ChatGPT. Once you paste it, you're going to click on that arrow to generate. Within a few moments, your first scene image will be ready. Now you're going to long press the image. You're going to see some other icons. You're going to see download there. You tap on that download to download it into your phone. Now I've successfully created our scene 1 image. Let's create scene 2 image. Now you're going to click on this Stickman character image again. This one we downloaded. You're going to long press on it. You're going to see some icon. Okay, you're going to select animate. Once it's show animate, you're going to go to your chat GPT to copy the image prompt for scene 2, okay? Once you copy the image prompt for scene 2, you're going to go back to the platform, the Flow AI platform, and paste it in the prompt box. And you tap on that nano banana to select your aspect ratio, select your, okay, the duration, then you generate the image, okay? Now the image is going to load. Once the image finished generating, you're going to long press on it. You see some icons. You're going to tap on download to download it into your phone. Now, I've taught you how to create the image. Now you're going to repeat this exact process for every remaining scene, okay, until all of your images are complete. So for this tutorial, I created all the remaining scenes, so this video will not be too long, okay? Now it's time to bring our images to life. Now long press on your first scene image. You're going to see some icons. You select animate, okay? Then you copy the video prompt for scene 1 from ChatGPT. You're going to copy both the voiceover, the Stickman action, the animation or motion prompt. You copy everything together for our video. Once you copy it, you go over to the platform and paste it there. Once you paste it there, you're going to then tap on that nano banana icon to select your AI model. Choose Omni Flash. Then select the animation duration. Select around 8 to 10 seconds. We are going to select 1x because we want only one video, okay? We are going to tap on that arrow to generate the video. Within moments, your first animated video scene will be ready. Now we are going to watch the video After watching the video you just generated, you're going to long press on the video. You see some icons, then you tap on download to download the video into your phone. Now our scene 1 video is ready. Let's create scene 2 video. Now you're going to scroll down to search for your scene 2 image that you generated. Once you've seen it, you're going to long press this image for scene 2. Once you long press it, you'll see some icon there. You tap on animate. Once it animates, it's going to show in the box below. Then you go back to your ChatGPT to copy the video prompt for scene 2. As I said, you copy both the voiceover, the Stickman animation, the motion prompt, copy everything together. Then you go back to Flow AI, you paste the prompt there, okay? You tap on that no banana icon to select your AI model, your duration and your resolution. You're going to tap on that arrow to generate, and immediately your video is going to get generated, okay? You're going to watch the video. Once you watch the video, you're going to long press the video. You're going to see some icons. You're going to tap download to download the video into your phone, and your scene 2 video is ready. Now you are going to repeat this same process for every remaining scene until you have transformed all of your images into fully animated video clips. Now our Stickman video animation is ready. I had to create the remaining scene off camera so this video won't be too long. Let's watch them together.
Want to be more successful? Then stop making these 5 common mistakes. They're simple habits that quietly waste your time, energy, and opportunity. Let's fix them starting today. Stop comparing yourself to other people. Everyone has a different journey. Focus on becoming a better version of yourself every single day.
Stop procrastinating. Waiting for the perfect moment usually means nothing gets done. Successful people start before they feel ready.
Stop being afraid of failure. Every mistake teaches a lesson. Successful people don't quit. They learn, adjust, and
Stop comparing yourself to other people. Everyone has a different journey. Focus on becoming a better version of yourself every single day.
Stop procrastinating. Waiting for the perfect moment usually means nothing gets done. Successful people start before they feel ready.
Stop being afraid of failure. Every mistake teaches a lesson. Successful people don't quit. They learn,
Want
adjust.
to be more successful? Then stop making these 5 common mistakes. They're simple habits that quietly waste your time, energy, and opportunity. Let's fix them starting today. Stop comparing yourself to other people. Everyone has a different journey. Focus on becoming a better version of yourself every single day.
Stop procrastinating. Waiting for the perfect moment usually means nothing gets done. Successful people start before they feel ready.
Stop being afraid of failure. Every mistake teaches a lesson. Successful people don't quit. They learn,
Want
adjust.
to be more successful? Then stop making these 5 common mistakes. They're simple habits that quietly waste your time, energy, and opportunity. Let's fix them starting
Now
today.
I've got you how to create a Stickman character animation. So do that to please like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video to your friends, your loved ones, your family, okay? And if you have any questions concerning this video or any other tutorial I've done, do all to join us in the comment section to answer. See you all in our next tutorial class. I love you all. Toodles. Bye.